So, I have a scenario in Salah. If I reciting something, a verse or a tahiyyat or something, and I'm in the middle of it, I didn't finish it, I'm in the middle of it, then due to OCD or whatever, I start from the beginning. Then I start reciting it. Then it comes to my mind, maybe I shouldn't have repeated it because it might change the meaning. So right now I don't know whether like, should I start from the beginning or the middle where I left it or currently where I'm at?
What is recommended that you continue where you stopped. But if due to your OCD, you are stuck between a rock and a hard place, and you begin from the very beginning, again, no problem, just continue with it. The issue is that I fear that if you follow this process of beginning from the start, that this would be a vicious circle, and every time you come to the middle, you go ahead and restart and go on and on and on and on to an endless process, which is what Shaitan wants exactly from you. So the best thing to do is to stop this process and continue from where you stopped. Because what you've recited was valid and sufficient. Continue till the end and always ignore the notion that maybe I made a mistake. No, maybe is doubt. And certainty is not affected by doubt. Unless you have proof and evidence, ignore it and move on. Talha from the UK.
Salam, Sheikh.
Alaykum as-salam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
Sheikh, hope all is well. Good to have you back on us, Sad. Hey, Sheikh, so I'm just saving up to move out, and I've got a bit of money. I'm just waiting for a job now to leave home. I'm a revert. And last night, my brother, he came home intoxicated. When I was out yesterday during the daytime, he basically had gone through my room and he had found a book to do with the religion. In the past, this has happened before, and he's gone crazy, and then things have calmed down. And then yesterday, he came back home intoxicated, and when I was sleeping, and he started kicking off. Now, Sheikh, I've been very calm in my life, but here in the UK, we're allowed to defend ourselves if there's, by law, the law protects us in this way, that if there's a danger, we are allowed to use physical force back. Now, I want to start training in maybe judo, BJJ, or wrestling, one of these, so that not just necessarily him, but if anyone tries to mess about and I have to defend myself, like, I'll give it to him if I have to. I don't want to get to that, but my question is to you. If I start going to some of these clubs, I found a club that Muslim brothers, they train, they're the trainers. Majority of the people, it seems, from the pictures I've seen on Instagram, on that club site, they cover below their knee, but some of the people that train there don't. So if I was grappling with someone that does cover, but the other people that are training don't, or say the instructors, the trainers, sometimes they don't, they wear shorts, sometimes they wear long trousers, not trousers, but jogging bottoms. If there's like that element there, can I still train at these places? And may Allah bless you, Sheikh, for all your help.
As long as you're not sparring with someone's aura exposed and the one you are sparring with has the proper Islamic dress, you're not accountable for the others who are training with shorts. Don't look at them, lower your gaze, and just focus on your opponent or your sparring partner, and inshallah, you'll be fine. Kashif from India.
Assalamu alaikum, Sheikh.
Wa alaikum assalam wa rahmatullah.
Sheikh, I want to ask that I have some perfumes that have the preacher's figure of living beings and photo, and some medals also. So can I use them as decoration and put them in cupboard that can be seen?
You have what?
Perfumes and medals.
That has what?
Figure of living beings.
Okay. As per perfumes, if the perfume has a logo that has, for example, a bird or a human being, it is okay to use the perfume. But these images should be covered because it's a two-dimensional image, it's a drawing. But if the bottle of the perfume is on the shape of a human being with a head, or the shape of a pelican or an elephant, which is a 3D statue, that is haram to have. And the same goes for the medal, and Allah knows best.